The world has gone digital. Have you? Yes, sis. You know what? I've been dealing with moms who are in business and they're like, how do I get paid from people from outside? Guess what? I've got the solution right here today for you. PayPal. We're going to be talking about PayPal, how to open an account. I'm not going to be talking about linking and all that stuff and withdrawing. I just want to get you started on how you open an account with PayPal. Samu, can I open an account with PayPal? I'm just selling, I'm just a runner, or I'm just selling shoes or perfumes. Girl, I got you. Yeah, you can. You can open a personal or you can open a business one. But today I'll walk you through on how you open a personal account. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Samu Gumbie. This is where we talk everything to do with the Mompreneur 101. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate your support. You know how we roll. Today we are talking about PayPal. I've been training women in digital business. And for you to receive money from anywhere, like I've been saying that your address is no longer a limitation, you can receive money from anywhere. And PayPal is the platform that can help you do that. And I'll walk you through, I'll show you my PayPal account where I receive money, and we are going to create a new one where you can follow step by step. You know I'm a teacher, you know I got you. So we are going to be creating it. Let's dive right in. We're going to go to our browser and we're going to type PayPal. Okay. And we want to sign up for PayPal, right? It's a simple and safer way to pay and get paid. And that's PayPal South Africa. It's recognizing that I am in South Africa. Wherever you are, you will see that it will recognize where you are. Welcome to this page. See for yourself why millions of people love PayPal. So you sign up for PayPal. It's free. You choose from the two types of account which one you want, the personal or the business. The business accepts payments and sends invoices to your customers. It's easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere and anytime. And the personal one, you shop in your country and around the world from your computer or your mobile, or without sharing your financial information. At the end, I'm going to show you my own account. I started with a personal one and I converted it to a business one. So as a mompreneur, as someone who is starting out online, I would say start with the personal one, and then you can always change as you go. Okay, so let's continue. So let's sign up. All right, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use my other email address. Okay, then next. Make sure that you put your phone number that is working, because they will verify. I'm going to blame mine for security reasons. The password needs to be 8 characters and it needs to have a number. So I'm going to put my password. And then there, it shows that I am in South Africa, right? At the top there, if you see, there's PayPal, ZA, welcome, sign up. So whatever country that you're in, it will always show where you are there. All right, let's continue. Let me write my name. Sorry that some of this I'm going to play for security reasons, because I'm going to put my ID. Okay. All right, next, the address. All right, so agree and create. Awesome, awesome. I am in. Can you imagine? That took us less than 3 minutes. We are already in. So get started. I can always link this, but not now. So I want to go to my account. But before I do that, I want to go and confirm my account. You will receive an email like this, which says, please confirm your account. So then there, and then we confirm. You can log in there. You can log in with the phone number. That's why I said the phone number is very important. There, confirmed. My email has been confirmed. So I'm good to go. I'm not linking right now. There we are. We are set up there to pay, get paid, and shop. So you've got these 5 steps to complete. Link a bank account. You can do that. I'll do a video that you can link. You can link your cards. You can add a profile picture. Get the PayPal up on your phone. I've got all these on my other account. I wanted to just show you here. In less than 10 minutes, we have got a PayPal account. I can actually even create an invoice from my personal account for PayPal. All right. So wallet, if I link, then I can be able to transfer money. This one has got 00 because we just opened it now. All right. So let's go. I will show you my PayPal account that I use. All right. There it is. There is my PayPal account. Can you see that I have been using this for a long time? I've got $53 there. There are quick links, business tools, send money, pay me, PayPal me. So this is the link that you get and you send to somebody. You can do invoicing, you request money, PayPal checkout, and the transactions that I've had, I can always just show you 2023 and apply filters. So can you see that even in 2023, I was receiving money, I was sending money, and I am in business. Having said that, this is Samu Gumbie. I hope that you will stick around and wait for the other one where I'm going to show you how you transfer. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. This is Samu Gumbie, and smiling is my trademark.